Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up Terraform on Red Hat EC2 instance in AWS Cloud. So let's get started. If you look at the prerequisite, we need to have our Red Hat EC2 instance up and running. I have already created Red Hat EC2 instance. I am also connected to the Red Hat EC2 instance iTerm. Okay. And if you wanted to check if you have Terraform there, you see here, so Terraform is not installed on that EC2 instance. So what we are going to learn in this video is, how you can install Terraform on your Red Hat EC2 instance. Awesome. So let's get started. So how do you get the instruction on downloading or installing Terraform on your Red Hat EC2 instance? Let's actually go to Google and then search download Terraform. And then you click on the first link. When you click on the first link, that will take you to a HashiCorp website. So as you can see here, Terraform can be installed on wide variety of operating systems. We wanted to set up on Linux. We wanted to set up on Red Hat EC2 instance. So you're going to click on this particular tab and then look at all the instructions here, right? That's it. You just have to copy. Okay, I have provided those instructions in my website as well. And then all you have to do is, go ahead and then paste those instructions, right? So these are all like three various commands. So they have kind of given all of them together when you copy, right? When you copy, all of them got copied, and then go ahead and then enter. So as you can see now, Terraform is actually being installed. Awesome. So as you can see here, Terraform got installed. You can also confirm the Terraform version as well. As of August 6, 2023, so this is the version, right? So yeah, it is very simple, guys, to configure Terraform on your Red Hat EC2 instance. So let's say you want to uninstall, right? Or let's say you want to remove Terraform. So how do you do that? All you have to do is you're going to use the yum command, sudo yum remove Terraform if you wanted to uninstall. Okay, so that's it. So that is going to, take care of removing Terraform, and then you can check whether Terraform is there. There you go. See, Terraform is not there. Okay, see, Terraform is not there. So yeah, so that's it, guys. That's how you can set up Terraform on your Red Hat EC2 instance in AWS Cloud. Thank you for watching this video.